Good morning, everybody. What's happening? Back for another scan. Epic wealth. Man, I appreciate everybody that's out there watching this, and I wish everybody happy trading. Old adage says, wish in one hand, dookie in the other. See which one fills up first. So my wishes for y'all ain't doing nothing, but let me see if I can post a couple of these scans and get everybody pumped up this morning. I'm scanning on Ask. Between 20 cents and $8. Unusual volume is the study, 200% over its typical average. Gap down 5% below the previous close, and looks like NVAX is gapping down. Wow, NVAX gapped down, and now it's coming up on the bid. So there's a lot of price action right there. A lot of volume. Not sure what the normal volume is. Not really seeing anything else that's really catching my eye here. I want to check this price performance gap up, see what's really popping on the gap up. Okay, we got JCP, TGTX, SQBG, TTOO. earnings, TGTX. Okay, that might be a really good one. And JCP's price action has been really crazy lately. I don't see anything with the kind of volume that I'm looking for. Again, it's only 8:30, so usually your leading gappers, whether they're gap ups, gap downs, if they're downs, you're doing the fade strategy. You're not trying to look for any shorts. If y'all are understanding what I'm saying, great. If not, pick through the rest of the videos, and I break everything down throughout the rest of them. Let me check on this 5% right here. Run another scan. Let's see. Alright, I got an overnight hold on IPCI. Let's check the charts on IPCI. It just dropped yesterday. I picked up, I think 750 shares. Just something cheap, just to hold. If y'all see my account, y'all know that's probably about 90% of it. But I'm up 222 from $96 on the, let's see, end of November. December, January, February, 3 months, over 200% on my account. Yeah, no, over 100%. Dang. Where are we at, y'all? There's no shame in my game. I am not afraid to sit here and make a mistake with y'all, for real. I was up over 200%, and I took a hit on a bad day trade. It cost me about $50, and now I'm only up 100%. A little more. I like to be exact. I'm not afraid to be wrong, but I like to be exact. I'm closer to about 130%. Now, I grabbed this one last night, IPCI, and it's actually from 29 cents. It's giving me, if it holds, it's up to 31. I'm kind of anticipating it to go to the 32, 33 level when the bell rings. I am looking for a pop, though. It is due. Every couple of days, we'll see it trending down, trending down. It'll hit that support right where it was at, 29.30, 29.30, and it pops. So I could see 35, 36. So that's probably going to be my trade of the day. I'm not aggressively scanning, looking for something. When I saw an opportunity last night, I checked the charts, I looked at the trend, and I'm feeling pretty solid about it. Again, do not buy in at 31 cents, you guys, because that bell could ring and it could dip down to 26, 20, and that'd be a good grab. Wait for the main strategy here that I'm doing is the gap fade strategy. We're looking to let the dust settle, buy it when it's low, and sell it when it's high. I mean, really, how simple is that? It appears simple, my friends. It appears simple. But if it was that simple, everybody'd be getting rich off the stock market. Alright, I'm going to run another scan on this gap down, see if we can catch anything else. When you're scanning at 8:30, what you're doing is you're familiarizing yourself with these tickers over here. That way when 9 and 9:15 rolls around, and when you're seeing the same things, and when you see this double in a 30-minute period, pre-market, you know whatever direction that it's moving, it's probably going to continue after the bell. I mean, you need to do your recon. You need to be a soldier. if you're gonna make any kind of profits in this thing. You got to be relentless, and you have to pay attention to your surroundings. The terrain is what wins wars. Back in the day, the terrain did. Now it's technology. So as a stock trader, what you need to do is you need to familiarize yourself with these tickers. Dig deep. You can go to news right here. You can check out the news. You can turn around and you can pull up the SEC website. You can pull up the company's website. There was IGC, and a lot of people lost a lot of money on that one. I woke up one morning, my account was up like 300%. So IGC, you know, I got to give you a hand. You put a couple bucks in my pocket. I was definitely doing my diligent, just everything about them. And then all of a sudden they started getting under investigation. It started tanking, getting really, really volatile, all downtrend. And I got away from it when they posted a picture of the door. Started going all over the internet of IGC. And I mean, this is the pot stock that went up like just crazy from like 60 cents to like, I don't know, let's just say 20 bucks for the sake of the story here, overnight or in a week period. And I mean, they literally just had like an abandoned Section 8 shack. No offense to anybody trading that's on Section 8 right now, man. Hoorah to you. I really appreciate it. Been there, done that myself. If you ain't familiar with my videos, man, check it out. Definitely not doing it now. I'm getting up. I'm getting out there. I'm not letting any restraints to hold me down. And let's run this scan again. I'm not trying to bore everybody. But Fitbit, I just don't like trading Fitbit. I feel like that's like, I just feel like it's too just, I really like these gems, you know, like NVAX. Like, who's heard of this? Let's check these out. Why do they have a million volume compared to everything else that's, I mean, it's 8:37 in the morning. What is going on with NVAX? Oh man, this can do it too. Phase 3 of trial did not meet primary endpoint of prevention of medically significant RSV. So, okay, that means when you see a news headline like that, it means it definitely went down. Now, normally, whatever it does after news comes out, when the bell rings, normally it repeats that pattern. So, for example, when was that? 7:58 a.m. All right, so let's find about 8 a.m. 8 a.m. here. We went from 87, and obviously, obviously some people already had the news back here. So anyways, when it was officially done, right around 8 a.m. right here, we went from 87 to 83. What we're probably going to see on NVAX when the bell rings is we're probably going to see people grabbing it because of the volume, and then we're going to see it selling off big. I'm thinking the news probably leaked early on this. Let me check the time frame. Let me look at it from 5 days. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. Oppenheimer. Why would you cut it from $4 to $1.50 before the news is reported? They probably got it reported somewhere else first. Here's another study not meeting. Yeah, NVAX is just getting beat up. That might actually be a good long-term investment. Oh man, let me get the rest of my morning started, man. Everybody, happy trading, good luck to you, and epic wealth. Like it, share it, comment. I'm out.